What's up, guys? It's Fernie J here, and I'm here to do a quick trade recap of today's setup. So yesterday I posted a video about the supply demand slash break and retest strategy, and I'm gonna run you through that again just in case anybody did not watch that video. So what we are gonna do, right, is we're gonna mark out the previous day high and then the previous day low. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this. We're gonna start fresh. We're looking at US 30 right now. I trade Forex, yes, I trade CFDs. I'm gonna make a transition to the futures market, but right now I'm just doing what works and I'm trading US 30. So we're gonna mark out the previous day low and the previous day high. That is the low and the high. That is the low and the high on the 4-hour chart. That is the low and the high on the daily chart. Daily, 4-hour. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop down to the 15-minute time frame. And then on the 15-minute time frame, we're gonna mark out these zones so we know what we're looking at. This is the low of day, the low of the previous day, and this is the high of the previous day, high of day, low of day. So overnight, price came and broke this structure. This right here is a sweep. The previous day low got swept, immediately rejected up into the low of the day, retested. So break of structure, retest. And as soon as price came up, tested the level, tested again, we targeted for a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 to 1.5 ratio. This is liquidity. And that was our draw on liquidity. And that's how we captured a good trade. We entered right before market open, and we were on the right side of it, obviously, this time. Trading is all probabilities, but this is an example of a break and a retest to a zone of liquidity that is available for us. And that's how we made a quick $2,000 today on this trade. So again, just to recap, we mark out daily highs and lows. On the 15-minute, we mark out our minor key levels. Remember, between the highs and the lows, that's going to be your trading range. And then all the key levels, for example, we had one major key level, which is this area right here. You're going to use those key levels as reactionary points or targets for your entries. So because we had a break and a retest here already, I was going to target the next key level. This right here, right now, could potentially be, we may go to the previous high, but I'm not going to be greedy. I already got my trade. We may go to the previous high, but I'm not going to be greedy. I already got my trade for the day. But this would be another example. You would want to see how price reacts here. Now, this is a key level within the daily lows and highs right here. So at this moment right here, you could potentially be looking for a retest as well. It's another example. A retest as well to the upside, targeting the last daily high. And then the high of the day here could also potentially be a potential short position or a break of structure, retest, and then we would long, and right here, So we could have right here a breaking structure with a retest all the way to the high of the day, and then this could be a short area to short, or we could have a breaking structure, a retest, and go to the all-time highs that we're currently experiencing in the markets. So all in all, what you want to do is make sure you mark out the highs and the lows, you mark out the key levels within that range, and then you're going to look for strong supply demand zones or a break of structures with retests. So if a supply zone holds and it starts to form price action, that's your buy signal. If a support zone holds and it starts to form a price action in the other direction, that's your buy signal. If a resistance zone holds and it starts to form price action in the other direction, that's your sell signal. If a break of structure happens and then it retests and then it starts to form in that direction that it broke in, that's your signal. Very simple strategy that can make you money. That's high probability and it shows up every single day in every market. So like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching me if you want to watch me on my trading journey. And I drop videos every single day. You can follow me on TikTok, Fernie J, Instagram, Fernie J Trades. And I'm here to help you. I'm here to grow and learn and build a community with you guys. So thanks.